I will cook a special dish of both of my specials. I made it bhajia. He liked it very much. Since then, whether it is his birthday, my birthday, anniversary, or any special occasion, he definitely wants this. Hello guys, welcome back again. Me Prashika and you are watching On Taste and Trails. So today I have come to a new society to know a new story. This is the story of a girl who gets married and comes to a new house, and after coming back, she brings a recipe of her maternal home to her in-laws. That recipe of hers is very special because her brother, mother and everyone in her parents' house liked that very much. And with the simple recipe, she won the hearts of her in-laws too. So I have come to know her story, and for that, let's go and see her recipe, which changed her life completely and brought a maternal feeling in her in-laws' house. Because it is said that food goes from the stomach to the heart, and from the same heart, love comes out. Finally, we are inside the building, and now I am going to their floor and we'll see what arrangements they have made for us. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. Why did you come so late? I was waiting for you. Yes, because there was a lot of traffic jam. And how are you? I'm fine. Tell me about yours. Perfectly fine. So you have especially called us today, so I want to know what is special for us. I'm going to cook a special recipe which is very special for both of my specials. Actually, my brother and husband's favorite recipe is aloo bhajia. Meaning the recipe is the same, but both of them like it very much. Yes, before marriage, I was cooking this for my brother, and now this is favorite of my husband too. So this is your real secret, that how you actually reach your husband's heart through stomach. Yes. I just want to know, how was your in-laws family's reaction when you made it for the first time here? It was my husband's birthday when I made it first time. Actually, we were cooking a lot of things, different dishes, out of which potatoes were left. So I made this bhajia. So my husband liked it very much. And from then on, be it is his birthday, my birthday, wedding anniversary or any other occasion, he would definitely want this. So let's go to your kitchen and see how their favorite recipe is being prepared. I have already told you that I am going to make potato bhajia, and for that I had sliced and washed the potatoes. How many potatoes are there in it? This is 3 medium sized potatoes. Now I am taking 1 cup of besan. I will add a pinch of turmeric powder into it. Now we will prepare the paste. So for that we will add coriander, 3-4 green chilies and 1-inch piece of ginger. Five to 6 black pepper, half tablespoon cumin seeds, and now we will add salt as per taste. And grind it. See, our paste is ready. You are going to mix this paste in besan, right? Yes. Now I'll mix this paste and I will start adding water little by little so that the paste is not too thin and besan become a very nice texture, and we can make a good kind of aloo bhajia with this. Because if the paste becomes too thin, then it will not stick to the potatoes. And we are going to fry this specifically with Ganesh mustard oil. Actually, when I came here after marriage, these people are already using Ganesh mustard oil. I also started cooking into it, and then food tastes very good and it is also in good quality, because when we start cooking we can smell it and we can understand by the taste as well. This is one of the best kachi ghani mustard oil, and that is why I haven't changed the oil till date, and I'm not going to change in the future as well, because they are maintaining the quality very well. Now see, our paste is ready. We already have been added Ganesh mustard oil in this pan, and now I am adding little more because we are going to fry the bhajiyas, so we need more oil into it. Now we will dip potatoes one by one in the paste and put them for frying. By the way, how much bhajiya can be made by 3 potatoes? Actually, 4 to 5 people can be easily served in evening snacks. But yes, my husband can eat all these at one time. And our entire family like this recipe. Especially, it should be made by this Ganesh mustard oil only, because we like the flavor very much. I got it. That is why you have been using this oil for so many years. And yes, the smell, it is taking us to the throwback to our villages where we actually use that kachi ghani proper oil, and this oil smells exactly the same. So I can understand the quality is quite good. Yeah, you're right. Everyone keeps saying what do you do with your hair and what you apply into it. I actually advise everyone that to apply mustard oil, especially Ganesh mustard oil. This oil is the best oil. I have been using this for 9 years. Earlier, I was having lot hair fall, but after applying this oil, my hair fall reduced by 90%. Alright, meaning not only it is best for the eating, it is also best for applying too. Yeah, absolutely. Oh wow, what a wonderful color it is. And the smell is amazing too. This is really very interesting. I have never seen this kind of recipe. Like grinding all this coriander, chili and ginger and mixing it into the paste and making bhajia. I didn't know that. By the way, when did you learn this recipe? This is my mother's recipe. In my childhood, my mother used to make this kind of recipes for our lunchbox, and I liked it so much. So I started cooking like her, and everybody in my family liked it so much. And after I got married, I made her, and of course, my in laws also loved it so much. So, how long it will take for this to be ready? Just 10 minutes. So friends, as you can see, these delicious snacks will be ready in just 20 minutes. And everyone in the family is liking this recipe by Sonalji. But as she says, this is her brother and husband's favorite recipe, means they both like it the most. So again, I want to tell you that if you want to make some good spicy breakfast or snacks quickly in your home, especially during the time of Shravan or Navaratri or any time when you cannot use garlic and onion, so this is the best recipe for the time and for you. So what do you say? I will say 100% right. So I am eagerly waiting for it to be made soon and I can taste it, because only after tasting I'll be able to know how much truth is there in all these stories. And only when the recipe goes into your mouth, it reveals the secret and the reality. And only then it will be proved that the recipe is as wonderful as it has been said. But yes, it is true that it has amazing aroma and the color is also amazing. Yes, this is the best oil I know. Now while our bhajia is cooking, let us make chutney for it. For chutney I am taking 2 tomatoes, a little coriander, 2 green chilies and half-inch piece of ginger. Now add salt as per taste and grind it. So our chutney is ready. The aroma of chutney is very good. I'm waiting so that the bhajia can be prepared as soon as possible and I can taste it. This is the coriander tomato chutney. I'm serving it for you. And now taste it and tell me how it turned out. So guys, finally this plate is in my hand with aloo bhajia and now I am going to taste this because I was eagerly waiting for this for so long. And as the cook also said that after tasting it, tell me how's the taste. And so I am going to taste it as soon as possible because the aroma of chutney is wonderful. So let's taste it and get to know what is the magic behind the stories and the recipe. So I am going to taste it. It's very tasty. She actually sliced raw potatoes, but now it become very soft and the flavor of Ganesh mustard oil is actually making this more delicious. And because of the ingredient which she mixed in the batter, it is giving a next level taste. So guys, I am going to enjoy this plate of mine, and if you also like such recipes, then follow our channel, subscribe and stay connected with us. And keep watching, keep learning and keep making your family happy with such recipes. So, I'll meet you soon in the next video with new story, new place and new recipes. Till then, stay tuned, goodbye and thank you so much for watching.